Going to do a tire change on a Ford Fusion. So stay to the end of the video for the funny parts. There'll probably be some. All right. Oh, you loosened all these bolts already?
Yeah.
All right.
This is CNN.
That's what I'm about to go buy me from Walmart. I'm tired of using that one that you twist up and shit.
I got this at Harbor Freight Tools for $89.
Yeah.
They got it on sale like every couple of months. And then it'll break on you probably because I had to take it back twice. The thing broke down there at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
But you know, they give me another one. It looks like it's doing fine to me. If you're gonna move it now while it's got air. Almost lost my nuts. These nuts on a Ford are very cheap. They break real easy when you use a crowbar the wrong way on them. Looks like a brand new tire though.
Exactly.
Where'd you get it at?
I got it at the place. It's a Mexican tire. Pay $75 for it.
That's too much for a tire. You get a new one at Walmart for $100, sometimes $80.
Yeah.
See, look, I carry around a shitload of baby tires. Discount Tires throws these away sometimes, just because rich people probably they don't take the baby tire with them. When they go to Discount Tire with a flat, they probably just leave it behind. That's what I'm thinking. But they're laying them out there by the dumpster, so they're throwing it away. I'll help them out.
Damn. I didn't know that.
I sell it for $30-40. They're making half the new cars without tires, without spares.
I seen.
But none of those fit a Ford, I don't think. Maybe one of them. I think one of them does fit a Ford. So yeah. All right, you got it taken care of.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, give me a review. Save my number for emergencies. I'll text you that shit so you can send me some cash app later on. And by later on, I mean in 10 minutes. All right. Another happy customer. I did 2 jobs for him.